Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the beauty of the English language one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're exploring a simple yet essential word, answer. That's right, today's word is a verb, and it means to respond to a question or call. It's a word you're likely using every single day, and we're going to unpack it in a way that's fun and practical. Let's start with the basics. When you answer someone, you're giving them a response. It could be to a question, like when your teacher asks, "What is 2 plus 2?" And you say, 4. Or it could be responding to a call, like when your phone rings and you pick it up to say, "Hello, who's this?" Answer is all about communication and connection. Now let's look at some synonyms. Instead of answer, you might say reply. For example, you could reply to a message by texting back, "Sure, I'll be there at 6 p.m. Another synonym is respond, as in, "I'll respond to your email as soon as I finish this task." These words are very similar, but they can have slightly different tones depending on the situation. On the flip side, let's talk about antonyms. An antonym for answer could be ignore. If someone asks you a question and you don't respond, you're choosing to ignore them. Another opposite would be refuse, like when someone calls your name but you decide not to answer because you're upset. These contrasting words help us understand when and why we choose to answer or not. In everyday life, you'll find yourself using answer in many situations. Imagine you're at a cafe and the barista asks, "What can I get for you?" You'll answer, "A latte, please." Or maybe you're at home and someone calls out, "Can you help me with this?" You might answer, "Sure, what do you need?" It's such a versatile word and essential for keeping conversations going. Here are a few more examples of answer in action. I need to answer these questions before the meeting starts. Did you answer your mom when she called you? Make sure to answer the door when the delivery arrives. As you can see, it fits perfectly in so many contexts. So, to wrap up, today we learned that answer means to respond to a question or call. We explored its synonyms like reply and respond, and its antonyms like ignore and refuse. We also saw how important answer is in everyday conversations and how easily it fits into different situations. Thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of Hello Word. If you enjoyed this discussion, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show, and we'd love to hear your thoughts. Here's a little challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word answer and share it with us in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep practicing.
Goodbye.